Today we will do garlic and chili chicken. Let's start finely chopping some garlic. Cut the chilies in half. Now cut the chicken into cubes. Fry the garlic with some oil. Add the chicken, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and sweet soya sauce, sugar, and now we can add the chili. We can add some white pepper. After you fry the chicken, you add all the sauces. You can keep cooking a little bit more. You can serve the chicken with some jasmine rice. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.